Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we apply the concentric constraint to the circles that we have here. So guys, as you can see here, we have different circles with a yellow, red and white one. So to apply this concentric circle, you just have to click on this parametric tab, and here we have the geometric group where you have to select this concentric circle. When you click on that, this command will be activated. Now you have to select the first object and the second object. So basically you have to select the circles. So this is the first circle and here is the second circle. Just after selecting these both circle will be like constrained in the center. Similarly, I can select this again. This command will be activated. I'll select this circle and the next one. So as you can see guys, this concentric constraint is now applied. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.